going to attempt to rake open my Chicago Duo. I've done it successfully twice. In fact, the first time I opened it was by raking it, but it's not an easy job. There we go. See the cord turned and the shackle is now open. Let's try that again just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. And yes, this core is very worn out, which is probably the only reason this works. Also makes it hard to keep a tension wrench in it. There it is again. Oh, that's right, key retain feature. All right, well that is just a quick rake on a Illinois Duo for Stock Lock Sunday. Thanks for watching.